To form a violin or viola bow hold, you're going to start off by taking your right hand and making a llama. And then you're going to take your thumb and bend it inwards and turn it into a bunny. So we've got nice long teeth hanging over that thumb. All right, that is your bunny setup. You're going to take your straw, and then I've drawn some lines here on my fingers. So you've got on your thumb, you've got a dot right there. So a little bit on the corner, like the inside corner of your thumb. And then I've got a line right where the knuckle is here, a little bit closer to my palm here. And then this is closer to my palm, but it's also more on the side, the thumb side of my pointer finger. Okay, so we're going to take our bunny that we just made and we're going to open our bunny's mouth. We're going to take that dot that's on our thumb and put it underneath our straw. And then we're going to lay our two middle fingers right where those lines are. We've got two more fingers left over. The pointer finger, you're going to lay that right on the line, and then your pinky just stands on top. So it should look like this. Notice my thumb is pretty much exactly between these two fingers. So the teeth are right hanging over the chin. And there we go. That is our bow hold on a straw. So with that, we can go up like a rocket, down like the rain, back and forth like a choo-choo train, round and round like the great big sun, land on your head just for fun. Down to the station to check your thumb, make sure it's still bent and hasn't straightened out. If it does, just bend it back. Pinky 2, same thing, should still be curved. Then you're done. All right, now let's go ahead and put it on our viola bow. So our viola bow, when it's stored in its case, is going to be loose. That means the hair is going to be almost touching or even actually touching the stick. Remember, we do not touch the horsehair. So the first thing you're going to do is tighten your bow. So you're going to go down to the screw here. You're going to turn it to the right, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 big turns and check it. There should be enough space for a pencil. This is a slightly big straw. There should be about enough space for a pencil. So this is not quite tight enough. We're going to go a little bit further. And there we go. So a pencil can fit right through the center of there. If you hold your bow with the stick up, you're going to see there's just a very slight smiley face. You always want to have that. If you ever tighten your bow enough that that smiley face disappears, you've gone too far and you need to undo it a little bit. Okay, so now we've got our bow ready to go. We're going to hold it in our left hand. That's just so that it's stable and we don't have to worry about dropping it. Okay, again, make sure you're careful not to touch the hair. And we're going to do the same thing. We've got our bow hold, we've got our bunny that we made, so llama into a bunny, and then we're going to open its mouth. Now, right in front of this little cave is where your thumb is going to live. Your thumb is going to live right in front, right where that dot is, and your thumb is bent. This breaks the one rule. Notice my thumb is touching the hair. That's a good thing. That's the only place you want to be touching the horsehair, though. All right, then we droop down on those lines again, and pinky stands on top. Now, if I let go with my left hand right now, it's going to be really heavy. My pinky's going to have to work hard. So for starters, we're just going to hold it straight up and down like this. All right, and then we're ready to go again. Up like a rocket, down like the rain, back and forth like a choo-choo train, round and round like the great big sun, land on your head just for fun. Down to the station to check your thumb, still bent. Pinky 2, then you're done. And that is your bow hold.